Put a cotton in your navel and look what happens. Goodbye to many diseases. Amazing! A virus, cold or cough can easily be acquired, and we must take measures to deal with these conditions. We share this technique that will be very useful for several diseases. Do not always want to make use of pharmaceutical drugs because of the negative consequences of these. This alternative will be useful enough not to have to use drugs. Although there is no certain explanation of this technique to cure, the results are almost miraculous. A simple cotton soaked with alcohol and chamomile placed on the navel is a secret that works wonders with diseases like flu, fever, and menstrual cramps. As previously stated, the explanation for this technique is not known for certain, but if one has an idea, although this one is not official, when the cotton is placed in the navel, which is the central part of a person and a half by which it is fed in the womb of the mother, it is believed that there may be a special connection with the organism. Importantly, put it also with chamomile, not just with alcohol. It will have its effects much sooner. For discomfort such as diarrhea, dizziness, or stomach pains, take the cotton soaked with alcohol and chamomile and also add salt and place it in the navel with a tape that will hold it, and moments soon you will start to feel an improvement of your discomforts. There are thousands of people who testify about this incredible technique and how they have solved health problem with only cotton, alcohol and chamomile in the navel. We share a video with the benefits of alcohol-soaked cotton in the navel and how to apply it. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.